Lift me up, hold me down. I cut my hair. Yes, welcome to my channel. Yeah, so guys, in this video I'll be doing just a very simple hairstyle with my used kinky braid. You can use it for eternity. You can use it for eternity. Yeah, guys, if you know kinky braid, like the male kinky braid, if you know that one, used to do twist and all that, if you use it the first time, you can still use it. You cannot throw it away because it can still. Then when I was in Nigeria, when I do kinky braid, like I will be making people hair, like I will be making clients hair. The kinky braid that they have used many times. The most important, the most amazing part of this thing is that you can wash kinky braid. Yeah. So this kinky braid, I think I used it a year ago. So I decided to use it to do this hairstyle. So guys, let's look how this thing is going to turn out. Okay, so if you have kinky braid, don't throw it away. You can use it again. Yeah, you can use it as many times. Let's dive into this video. Okay, do you like my makeup? You like it? So let's dive into this video. Okay.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, pain. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Drowning in an endless sea. Take some time and stay with me. Keep me in the strength of your arms. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me safe. We need light. We need love. Lift me up in your arms. I need love. I need love. I need love. Hold me. 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 We need light. We need love. Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere